Shut the door, we dreaming more. What's the 441? Who all in here be the one?
Yeah, sir, you see the last Ronin. Y'all know what time this is. Beautiful art on the box. I'll do a quick little review. Y'all check in with me. 441. What's the 441? On the back of the box, you see the articulated character. More art. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful art. Wait, where's the toy? Oh man, I forgot. I've been studying my book though. On chapter 4, I've been kind of slow rolling that. But I got the toy for Christmas, man. I was so energized, not excited, but energized to get the last Ronin. I got a bunch of other toys, but this one we opening up and we gonna unbox. It's already out the box, but look, there go the box. He in the box, y'all see it. Bam. The last Ronin. He's suited. He got his little weapons on him. He's ready for war. He looks mad too, man. My man looks really mad. But overall, a very great articulation. Looks just like the cartoon or the comic book expression. I'm not going to do a lot of articulation, but you can see he balances. He holds it down. You know what I'm saying? But, well, he's all right. He's a little drunk. But he got his weapons all in the compartments. He's got his little gadgets around his waist. You know what I'm saying? His outfit is armored up. In the box, he has the other hand. He's got the original head with the mask right there. Or not the mask, the hood. He's got the little X-ray vision glasses. He got the ninja stars, the blow-up bomb. He's got the little grapple hook with the yarn. He's got an extra waving bandana. Let's take his stuff out though, man. He got a nightstick right here. Get that out of there. He got Rafi's side, one of them. You've got Mikey's nunchucks, also one of them. Just like the illustration. You've got in the back, you got Donnie's bow, and you got one of Leo's katanas. So he's suited and booted, ready for war, the last Ronin. He's got his original head over here on the side. Let's take this one off. Bam. Put the hood on. That's how he looks with the hood originally out the box. Still got Donatello's bow. Stay strapped. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful character, man. I love this character. This is perfect. Just put my man's stuff back together. Got to get back ready for war, man. We can take his hood off, put his X-ray glasses on, so you can see what's going on. You see him. We ready? Yeah, I put together a little photo art scene shoot. At the end of this, y'all stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? It's inspired by the last Ronin illustration. Be blessed, man. Love y'all. Put his hood back together.